Today we're going to talk about production of photovoltaic solar panels. Production of photovoltaic solar panels, some elements. Overview of photovoltaic production along the value chain, August 2022. Here, a document from the Institute Photovoltaics report. Here, solar photovoltaic production in Germany. Of new and expanded module and cell plant capacity in the European Union. Some projects may or have evolved since this document from the Observer Photovoltaic Barometer was published. The question is, will new PV or photovoltaic manufacturing policies in the US, India, and European Union create a diversification of global PV supply? According to the International Energy Agency, the high level of geographic concentration in the global PV supply chain has led to the European Union, India, and the United States to introduce incentives to support domestic PV production. This could lead to an unprecedented expansion of PV manufacturing outside China over the next 5 years. However, diversification of manufacturing will only be possible if production costs fall to ensure competitiveness with lowest cost producers, for example, in China and ASEAN countries, in the short and long term. Manufacturing policies in India and the US. According to the International Energy Agency, recent policy measures in India and the US aim to increase the competitiveness of domestic manufacturing through subsidies and tax breaks, while the European Union is considering similar measures. India's PLI scheme and the US IRA provide support to manufacturers in different ways. While the PLI provides subsidy to reduce the capital cost of factories through production-linked payments, the IRA provides PTCs for the manufacture of certain equipment, including solar PV modules, cells, wafer, and polysilicon until 2032. PTC stands for Production Tax Credits. The IRA, Inflation Reduction Act, is a tax incentive for manufacturers to invest in the production of solar cells. It is estimated that IRA support closes nearly 80% of the investment cost gap between India and the lowest cost manufacturers in China. However, the one-off subsidy means that manufacturing efficiencies will have to be achieved through economies of scale to maintain long-term competitiveness. At the same time, full monetization of the US manufacturing tax credits will bring all segments of the country's solar PV manufacturing to cost parity with the lowest cost manufacturers. According to the International Energy Agency, pro-solar PV manufacturing policies in India and the US have led to the announcement of many new projects. Solar PV manufacturing capacity and production by country and region 2021-2027. According to the International Energy Agency, as a result, China's share of production capacity could decline slightly, depending on the segment. In addition, if countries maintain trade policy that limit imports in favor of locally produced PV products, a wider geographical spread in the global solar PV supply chain could lead to a decrease in China's share of production. I hope you found this presentation interesting. Here are some sources if you want to learn more. Feel free to ask questions or make comments in the comment section. Thank you and see you soon.